Okay, this one says that Jose graphed the opposite of 3 on the number line. First, he graphed the point P on the number line 3 units to the right of 0. So first he's going to graph 3, and then he's going to work through the opposites of that. So first he put it to the right, and he calls it P. Notice this is 1, 2, 3 units. Next, he graphed the opposite of P. So here's the opposite of 3 is negative 3, which is 3 units to the left, and he called it point K. So we have 3, we have the opposite of 3, and now we're looking for the opposite of 3. And so it says finally he graphed the opposite of K, which again is 3, and he called it Q. So is he correct? Yeah, he is correct because the opposite of our original point is negative 3, and the opposite of that is positive 3. So the opposite of an opposite gets us right back where we started.